Hi, my name is Moshe Rosen, DevOps Lead at ionir. This is a preview of ionir's new clone to time capability that will be in our product by the end of the year. We have a Kubernetes cluster called Ireland running in AWS. The Ireland cluster has a stateful application called File Server with 100 GB persistent volume on the ionir platform. This is the application pod and attached PVC. Now we enter the pod to see its content. The volume is mounted at /media/data and it contains 10,000 files with a total size of 50 GB. The current time is 11:58:31. At this time, all of my data is present on the volume. Our data is about to have an accident. Oops, that was an rm-f and all of the data is gone. Now, let's see how we can use clone to time to recover the data. There were no pre-configured snapshots. But I know the last time I had data on the volume, 11:58:31. We will now recover the data to this timestamp. On the persistent volume for the file server application, I select clone. I choose the destination namespace as file server clone. I added the name of the clone to match the volume claim template. I set the retention policy for our clone to 1 hour. This determines the duration for which 1 second granularity recovery will be available for this clone. We will cover retention policies in detail in a future video. We choose clone to time and set the date and then the time. This is the time we know we had valid data on the volume. Select clone. The clone is created instantaneously and is immediately usable. Now I switch to the file server clone namespace. This is the PVC corresponding to the clone we just created. Apply the YAML for our file server application, waiting for the pod to get to the running state. Pod is now running. Let's enter the file server pod and look at our data. All of our data is present. 10,000 files and 50 gigabytes. Thank you for watching the feature preview of Clone to Time capability.